Imagine a structure so towering and magnificent that it forever changes the skyline of one of the world's most beautiful cities. Welcome to the Eiffel Tower, an iron lattice giant standing tall in the heart of Paris. It's a marvel that needs little introduction. It's not just a symbol of love and romance, but an architectural masterpiece that has withstood the test of time. When it was first unveiled to the public in the late 19th century, the Eiffel Tower was met with a mixed reaction. Some hailed it as an engineering marvel, while others criticized its unconventional design. Little did they know this audacious structure would soon become one of the defining symbols of France, attracting millions of visitors each year. The Eiffel Tower isn't just about its height or its iconic silhouette. It's about the unique architecture that makes it stand out in the world of structures. Now let's delve into the architectural brilliance behind this iconic structure. This symbol of Paris was not born without controversy. The Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of France, was the brainchild of Gustave Eiffel, a man whose vision was as towering as the structure he dreamt of creating. In the late 19th century, a design competition was announced. Its goal, to create an iron tower that would stand 300 meters tall on the Champ de Mars near the Seine River. This was to be an architectural feat that would capture the world's attention at the 1889 Exposition Universelle, a world's fair to celebrate the centennial of the French Revolution. Gustave Eiffel, a respected engineer and architect, was undeterred by the ambitious brief. He submitted a design that was daring, innovative, and to some, utterly outrageous. His vision was a bold one, a gigantic iron structure that would dwarf every other building in the city. His design was met with a wave of controversy. Critics dubbed it the Iron Monster, an eyesore that would disrupt the city's historical aesthetic. Renowned artists and intellectuals of the time signed a petition against it, calling it a stupefying folly. They feared that this useless and monstrous tower would overshadow iconic Parisian landmarks like Notre Dame and the Louvre. But Gustave Eiffel was not one to back down. He defended his vision with conviction, arguing that his tower would symbolize the industrial era, showcasing France's technological prowess to the world. He believed that the tower's unique structure and the engineering marvel it represented would ultimately win over its critics. Eiffel's confidence was not misplaced. Despite the initial backlash, his tower was chosen as the winning design. The construction began in 1887 and took 2 years, 2 months, and 5 days to complete. Upon its completion, it became the tallest man-made structure in the world, a title it held for 41 years until the completion of the Chrysler Building in New York. Despite the initial backlash, Eiffel's vision was set in iron, quite literally. His belief in the power of industrial elegance and technological advancement had given birth to a structure that would become a beloved symbol of Paris and an architectural marvel admired around the globe. Designing the Eiffel Tower was one thing, but building it was quite another. The engineering feat of the Eiffel Tower is a story of innovation, precision, and resilience. Gustave Eiffel and his team faced a myriad of challenges during its construction. Think about it. An unprecedented height, gusty winds, and the sheer complexity of assembling over 18,000 individual iron pieces. It was a task that required more than just raw muscle. It called for ingenuity. One of the most significant challenges was the wind. Given the tower's height, the wind posed a real threat to the structure's stability. But Eiffel, the shrewd engineer that he was, had a solution. He designed the tower with a parabolic shape, which allowed the wind to flow around it rather than against it, ensuring stability even in the strongest gales. Now, let's talk about precision. The Eiffel Tower was assembled with an accuracy that would put a Swiss watchmaker to shame. Each of the 18,000 individual iron pieces was crafted off-site and brought to the construction area. They were then painstakingly assembled, each fitting into its designated spot with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. That's less than the thickness of a human hair, mind you. And then there was the challenge of riveting. Over 1 million rivets were used to hold the tower together. But because of the tower's design, traditional riveting techniques were not an option. So, Eiffel and his team developed an innovative, compressed air riveting technique that allowed them to work at dizzying heights and at an unparalleled speed. Despite all these challenges, the Eiffel Tower was constructed in just over 2 years, a feat that was nothing short of miraculous for its time. But it wasn't just the speed that was impressive. The tower was constructed with 0 fatalities, a testament to the meticulous planning and execution of the project. The tower stands as a testament to the genius of its engineering. It's not just a beautiful monument, it's a symbol of human ingenuity, a tribute to the power of precise engineering, and a testament to the courage of those who dared to dream big. From a controversial iron giant to an admired architectural marvel, the Eiffel Tower has come a long way. Today, it stands as more than just a testament to human ingenuity. It serves as a broadcasting tower, sending signals far and wide across the city of love. However, with such grandeur comes responsibility. The Eiffel Tower undergoes a meticulous annual maintenance regime to preserve its splendor. This includes repainting every 7 years, a task that requires 60 tons of paint. But beyond its practical uses and aesthetic appeal, the Eiffel Tower is a magnet for the globally curious. Each year, millions upon millions of tourists flock to Paris, their hearts set on ascending this iconic structure. They come to marvel at its intricate design, to touch its cool iron, and to stand in awe of the panoramic views of Paris that unfold from its peak. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of architectural brilliance and engineering genius, continues to inspire and mesmerize us to this day. The Eiffel Tower, an architectural and engineering marvel, stands tall amidst the city of love. This remarkable structure is a culmination of ambitious vision, ingenious engineering, and timeless design. Conceived by Gustave Eiffel, the tower was a daring project that pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible in the world of architecture and engineering during the late 19th century. Its latticework design, a testament to the advanced understanding of wind resistance, and its use of puddled iron, a material both strong and flexible, demonstrate a masterful blend of form and function. Today, the Eiffel Tower continues to captivate us, not just for its aesthetic appeal, but also for the engineering marvel it represents. A testament to human ingenuity, the Eiffel Tower is more than just a tower. It's a symbol of aspiration and achievement, a beacon that continues to inspire us all.